Hello my friends, and today I have the pleasure of reviewing the C.Scope CS3MX Pro. Okay, so before I go out and actually do some tests on this, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing just so you see what you get in the box when it comes, or when you go up and pick it up. Let's have a look. Okie dokie then. Exciting, isn't it? Exciting. Right, okay, so here we have the unit itself. Let me just get these bits of cardboard out of the way. Okay, so there's the unit itself. The C.Scope 3MX right there. On that unit we have a sensitivity knob, a pinpointer, and a discrimination there around the other side. So exactly the same as the first 3MX model, just absolute simplicity, but with that, without losing any power. Brilliant. So there you go, there's the socket for the head. And I think C.Scope have got about 4 interchangeable head options at the moment. Okay, and it comes with the 20x28 2D search head, which is just lovely. Oh, what is all this stuff? Okay, it all comes with all this. Oh, okay, we've got spare armrest parts there. I believe that's probably the belt mount in there as well, just in case you want to put it on your belt. You want to put the actual unit part onto your belt, which is great. And then we've got the instructions for it right there. Fantastic. And what are these bits here? I'm not too sure what these bits are. Oh, that's part of the armrest again. Yeah, and then there's oh yeah, just general C.Scope information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out, do an air test I think, but to be honest with you, I just want to give it a go. Alright, I'm out in the field. Lots of sheep here to watch this lovely review. Okay, so just taking the battery pod out of the back of the detector, gonna load it up with 8 AA batteries, and these notoriously they last forever. I think that I've changed my 6MX. I change my 6MX batteries about once a year at the moment, and my old 3MX, I don't even remember changing them. So I'm just going to load these up and then we can continue. Okay, so that's all of the batteries loaded in. I put the shaft on, I've wrapped the wire around the shaft. I've got a bit of an excess there. I haven't really spent too much time concentrating on that because I'm quite excited, to be honest with you. I'll get like this when I've got a new metal detector. So there you go. Let's just turn her on. It's the first time I've turned her on. Oh, no, it's sensitivity. Oh, okay, so straight away, look at that, that's the threshold. So I'm going to have it at about 7 there. Discrimination, I'm going to come all the way down to around, I'm just going to go down to 1. I'm not going to go in all metal, I'm just going to sit about 1. I'm just going to sit a little bit above that. First impressions are that it's very light, very, very well balanced. Feels nicely balanced. Yeah. Because it's just going to take it out of you after a while. Your stamina will be zapped if your detector's too heavy. And obviously we have our pinpointer there as well. Okay, now I'm going to do a quick air test before I get out onto the field. Okay, so what I've done is I've laid the detector on its side. Then I have a tape measure here, which is in inches and centimetres. Quite simple stuff. In the first instance, I have this gold ring. Okay, I'm just going to try and get an idea of distance. Alright, okay, so it's just phasing out, I hope you can see, just phasing out at about 11 inches there. Hope you can see that, there you go, look. So we put the gold ring there, around about, yeah, about 11 inches, just over 11 inches, not too shabby. Okay, the next thing I'm going to test is an old penny, right there. Okay, let's see what this comes in at. About the same actually, just starting to die out at the 10 inches. Yeah, it's about 10. Okay, yeah, around about there actually. Okay, and the last thing is going to be a hammered coin, which ironically is the first ever hammered coin I found with my 3MX. Brilliant. Okay, let's see how this comes in. Nice strong signal. It's about, yeah, it's exactly the same actually. So all 3 targets are about the same. Just a little bit before. So all in all, you're looking at about 11 inches, 10, 11 inches. So there you go, there's a quick air test. But to be honest with you, I find that the best tests are actually when you're on the field, gaining experience and actually using the thing. You can sit there and do air tests all day long, but like so many environmental factors can change things when you're actually out detecting. So, here we go. Okay, this is it. My first ever target with the CS3MX Pro. Let's see what it is. Okay, so I've dug out my plug, thusly. Now I'm going to check with the pointer, the pin pointer, and it's right there. I'd say directly in the middle of that coil. Okay, and it is, I think it's a musket ball. It is a musket ball. There you go, first ever find the 3MX, a musket ball. I thought I'd done this field to death, to be honest with you. What are we saying there? 5 inches? I'd say about 5 inches down. You heard the signal, it's quite a strong signal really. Great. Okay, and we now have my second target, the 3MX Pro. Nice and strong really. Pinpoint, where are you? Okay, now we're looking at about 3 or 4 inches down, but it's actually in the top part, hence why it was such a good strong signal. Oh no, this is a, oh there you go, look, I got lucky. It's in this clod here. I think I've seen it, It is a, I don't know what that is. It's not a ring pull, it looks like a ring pull, but I don't think it is a ring pull. Hold on, now that is very odd. I've got no idea what that is. It's silver, it feels silver, it's very, very tough. But here we have these weird markings, perhaps hallmarks of some sort. But on the other side, we have a B. Can you see that B? Rather odd. Maybe the end of a spoon, actually, or a small spoon, like a teaspoon. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's still a find, and it's our third target. Extremely strong. I'm reckoning it's on the top somewhere. Use our pinpointer. Yeah. All right, I'm going to get in. Yeah, so it's in the clod there. So let's break it up. Nope. As I said, I thought it was perhaps on the surface, so I didn't need to go. Oh, tell a lie. I was about to say I didn't need to go down that deep, but there's still a good 4 or 5 inches there. Is that a bit of lead? Hold on. Looks like a bit of lead, feels like a bit of lead. Well, you know what? It was something. I don't know what it was, but it was something. Because I can see there's markings there, look. Ah, interesting. That's the fun of metal detecting, isn't it? Okay, here we go. Here's another. I've only been out here for like 10 minutes. Pinpoint. Okay, and it is right there. What happens sometimes? Oh, there you go. The target has been located. Right, it's here somewhere. Where are you, sir? Oh, I think that's it there. Oh, a bit of shrapnel. Maybe a bit of shrapnel. Oh no. Good Lord. What is that? Okay, quick clean up. Do you know what? Just for a second there, I thought that was going to be a matrix seal. I thought, you know, the matrix seal, dunk, 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 but no, I don't know what it is. It looks like a really big cufflink. There were markings there, you could just make them out. Nothing that impressive or obvious, but still, it is a find. There's another, super strong, on the top I expect. Right there. Okay, let's see what we have. Nothing there. Oops, daisy. Ah, it's broken up the plug. I hate it when that happens. Oh, it's in that big bit there. Okay, is that it lead? Oh, it is lead. What type of lead? That is the question. Rolled up bit of lead, worrying. Could be a curse. A Roman curse. They used to do that. They used to roll up their bits of lead and curse thy neighbour. Yeah, it is just a rolled up bit of lead. Something may come from further investigation. There could be writing in that, but very strong signal. There it is, a very, very quick look at the CS3MX Pro. Now, if you know anything about the CS3MX, then this is just a step up from that. They're great pick up and go metal detectors. They really, really are. They're simple to use, extremely simple to use, lightweight, but at the same time, they don't sacrifice any power.